Hey guys! I've been collecting these tablet jars from a really long time and I didn't know what to do with them, and I came across a DIY on Pinterest which is basically like adding small plants into the jars and then hanging them up, and I thought I would give that a try. So for this DIY you need small jars. If you don't have a glass jar you can buy it from Amazon. The next thing that you need is jute thread. I got mine from a hardware shop. You can buy it online. I think it's there on Amazon. And then you need some cute plants to go in. You need to find plants that can propagate, as my mother says, on water. So yeah, you need to find plants which can grow on water. So let's get started. We are going to start off by leaving a small length and then making a loop. Now place the loop onto the bottle and make a knot. Make an extra knot to secure it in place. Continue doing this with all the bottles. Here I am making 2 strands with 4 bottles on one and 3 on the other. I am going to make this as an indoor piece. So yeah, I'm going to make this an indoor piece. I'll be hanging this in a bay window. Make sure you find a place which has enough sunlight for the plants. Now go out and find some cute plants to go in. Now fill the bottle with water. Make sure you don't fill it up to the rim because otherwise the water can come out when you add the plant to the bottle. You can cut the plant according to the size of the bottle. I hope you guys liked what you saw. If you do, then please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.